students. We are talking about Olympic movements, and I had given you a few of the questions, but it seems that only few students are interested in doing physical education work. I am preparing a list day by day and maintaining a record in my notebook here. Those children who are not doing regular, we will have a talk with your class teacher. Whatever the work is given, do it. If you are unable to understand, you can ask to me and contact to me in a group. I am talking about previously about Olympic motto, Olympic flag, rules for the competition and opening ceremony, closing ceremony of Olympic Games. After that, Olympic symbol, ideals, objectives and values. Olympic symbols and emblems. I have already told you there are five rings interlocked with each other, and in that, citus, altus, fortis, faster, higher, and stronger is the meaning. Olympic deals, Olympic ideas, or Olympic ideals. What are the objective of Olympic? This is very important. Objective of Olympics to pay attention toward physical education and sports competition is one of the important objective of Olympics to develop international fraternity and peace. There are six objectives. Go through it. I had already explained you in a previous class. International Olympic Committee, that is IOC. It was created by Pierre de Coubertin on June 23rd, June 1984. Now I had already told you about the main function of IOC, Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association IOA was established in 1927. Sir Darobji Jamshed Tata was, and Northern Dr. Northern became the founder, president, and secretary general of IOC, Indian Olympic Association. Now we come to Dronacharya Award, Arjuna Award, and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. These awards are particularly related to sports person, coaches, and given to a particular person, those who have done well in sports. Dronacharya Award, Arjuna Award, and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Dronacharya Award. In ancient time, gurus were honored and respected by everyone, everywhere in India. We had already know who was Dronacharya, and this award is related to Guru Dronacharya. At the time, Guru used to give extraordinary coaching and teaching. You know, in ancient time, we had many games, and one of the oldest is archery. Train the sports person and achieve apex mark to a certain level. They impart coaching to a sports person so that they can get recognition at national or international level. The government of India that if award are given to the coaches, this Dronacharya award is specially given to coaches. The government of India start presenting Dronacharya award to coaches in 1985. In 1985, this award is given to coaches in the memories of Guru Dronacharya of Mahabharata. You had already gone through the Mahabharata, a story of Mahabharata. There is a big role of Dronacharya. What are the criteria and eligibility of this award? This award is given to the coaches who impart coaching to a team or a players for a long time. First, individual events. In individual event, there are so many individual and team events. Football is a team event. One of the example is football is team event, and badminton is individual plus team event. In athletics, we have team events and individual events also. And what are those? Relay is a team event. Sprint in 100-meter is an individual event. The player who has won gold, silver or bronze medal at Olympic Games, World Cup tournament or World Championship, Olympic Games or World Championship. The player who has won gold, bronze medal at World Championship, these are the criteria. The player who has won gold medal in Asian Games or Commonwealth Games. Individual events. Team events, a coach is eligible for Dronacharya award if he or she has taken responsibility of training the following team. Training a particular team. Team events and indigenous sports also. The coach who has been imparting training to a player or a team of indigenous sports to improve the standard of sports during the last 3 years is also eligible for Dronacharya award. And what are the objectives? The objectives of Dronacharya award is to honor and contribution and the role of coaches and a trainer. The motivate trainer and coaches to work with more focus and delegation. These are the two objectives, and they are the main two objectives of Dronacharya award. Criteria for the award. What is the criteria? An 80% weightage is given to a coach whose sports person won the medal at Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and World Cup or World Championship. These are the games in which given to a coaches whose sports person the coach has trained to that team, individual team or a group team or indigenous sports. 80% weightage is given those who have taken part in this. A 20% weightage mark will be given by the selection committee for the assessment of eligible coach, keeping in a view the factors like profile and standard. Awards. Dronacharya award consists of a scroll of honor and a cash prize of 5 lakhs. The award can be given in the case coach or a trainer is no more. If coach is no more, after that it can be given to him or her also. Then nominations are there. The nominees for the award to be invited by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports for the National Sports Federation. The last date of receipt of nomination will be 31st May as the same year. So there are so many nominees and these are the criteria. In that criteria, those sports person led by the various coaches are selected for Dronacharya award. Go through it well. It is one of the important for class 11 as well as class 12 also. Arjuna award. We had talked about Dronacharya award and next is Arjuna award. It is one of the historical name again as Dronacharya was. Arjuna award is related to is the supreme honor in which award sports person by the government of India is given by the government of India. This award is given such sports person who achieve position during extraordinary performance during the past 3 years. Those who has done continuously well in past 3 years. The award started in 1961. Arjuna award includes statue of Arjuna made of bronze and 5 lakh rupees cash. The rules for Arjuna award. The main aim to the standard of sports in the country to make it high and bigger. The government of India demands the list of sports person from National Sports Federation of India. Generally, the award is given to one player of game, but this can be given to female player of the same game. One player, but it can be given to a female player. There are various examples. Go and find 3 female players who had been received Arjuna award. This is your homework and this is for your general knowledge also. Find 3 women of different sports, those who have received Dronacharya award or Arjuna award or Arjuna award. Arjuna award cannot be present to a player second time. Only one time it is given. Arjuna award can be given only in one time to a one player. The total number of Arjuna awards are restricted to 15, one award in each discipline. We are talking about each game. Like Olympics, Asian Games and Commonwealth Games. These are the rules for Arjuna award. Now we come to Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award is presented for spectacular and among most outstanding performance in the field of sports. April 1st to March 31st, the award is present to one sports person for one individual sports, only for one individual sports to one sports person. The award is present to one sports person for individual can be given to more that in case of team games. A cash amount of 7.5 lakhs is given to them. A scroll of honor to each sports person, that is a type of certificate. One memento to each sports person. The amount award be given either in cash, form of saving certificate, or as deemed fit by the government. Objectives of award. This is important to understand what are the objectives of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The objectives are honor the sports person, those who have done well in society, and also giving them gather dignity, peace, honor in society. Motivate a sports person, spread sports culture throughout the country. Those who are doing all these things, they are eligible for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Criteria for award. What is the criteria? The total of 80% weightage is given to a sports person who won a medal in the Olympic game, Asian Games, and in Commonwealth Games or in World Cup. The organizational setup of CBSE Sports and Chacha Nehru Sports Award. We are talking about CBSE Sports and Chacha Nehru Awards. About sports, they both are common. The Central Board of Secondary Education recognize the sports and games tournament at cluster level, zone level, and national level, various sports and games. What are the objectives? To organize inter-school competition in sports and games recognized by CBSE. To encourage sportsmanship and promote friendly relation among the school or students. To raise the general standard of sports and games prevailing in the school. It is very important to have games and sports in every school. General rules. Games and sports may be included or excluded by sports committee from time to time. All the championship and national level will be held league come knockout. This is very important. League come knockout. Every team will play with every team. And Chacha Nehru Sports Award. The CBSE started Chacha Nehru Sports Award in 2005. In fact, it is a scholarship and known as award. The objective is to identify, recognize, develop extraordinary talent among the students of class 10th and 12th in games and sports. And what is the eligibility? The student must be the Indian national student in a school. This is the main. Selection for the scholarship. Students shall be selected on the basis of overall performance and score at national level in CBSE sports competition. Scholarship. There are 50 scholarship. Each year is rate of 500 per month for a student of class 10 to 12. 500 rupees is given per month. Duration, clear cut level improvement performance of sports concerned. Passing of each level of class examination is must. It doesn't mean that you will always play and do not study. It is very important to study also and clear all your classes well. In some cases, students are selected under 16 age category. The scholarship is such case shall be entitled the completion of class 12th studies also. So there are the various objectives that is related to the sports or games of sports and for betterment of for upliftment of sports and games in a school.